a look at the Silverwhite fan brush. This affordable and durable brush is short-handled and available in sizes 2, 4, and 6. The synthetic filaments on this brush are soft yet springy, making it a perfect fit for water media and soft-bodied acrylics. The ferrule is nickel-plated brass. It's durable and will resist denting, maintaining that fan shape. This specialty brush shape is a great choice for achieving natural textured effects. Here I'm using watercolor on cold pressed paper to create strokes you might use in a landscape. Side-to-side motions paired with quick dabbing and vertical strokes can mimic grass and water surfaces. I'd imagine this technique would also create interesting fur textures as well. As I was working, I was pleasantly surprised at just how much paint this brush could hold at once. For more information, you can visit our website at silverbrush.com.